everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to create a job list report in Fresa Application. Initial step is very important, that is login. To make our data confidential, we have to log in first. I have already logged in. I'm using that. After your successful login, go to menu bar. There you can see some list. Choose the very first module, that is customer service. After clicking on that, scroll down to find the report to CS menu, select on it. Then scroll down to find the job list to CS menu. Then you will be navigated to some other page. Here you have to choose the specific date range and the department, client and salesperson. If you want to select for a particular job number, then you can type it by here. And if you want to select for a particular shipment number, then you type it by here. If you want to select a status of the job, then you can select it by the status down menu. And if you want to select some particular department of job list, then you can choose it by here. So I'm clicking the date ranges last week and I'm clicking on submit button. So we can see here the list of jobs. If you want to download it, you can click on options. There you can see the download option. You can download it by here. If you want to adjust the rows, then you can adjust it by here. If you click on all, you can see all the job list in this page. Hope this video will be very helpful to find the job list report.